Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to PUBG Mobile. Your first step is to download the official game from your device's app store. This ensures you get the legitimate 2025 version with all current updates. Make sure you have ample storage, around 5 GB, and a strong Wi-Fi connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for the initial download and to prevent any frustrating interruptions during installation. Once downloaded, the game will automatically install and prompt you to begin. After installation, you'll need to set up your player account. Linking through Facebook or Google is the smartest choice, safeguarding your valuable game progress. While a guest account is an option, it doesn't offer the same security for your stats and items. Next, head into the settings to optimize your graphics. Find a balance between visual fidelity and a high frame rate for the best gameplay experience. This initial setup is key for smooth, enjoyable sessions. Now, let's explore the controls. The game uses a virtual joystick for movement and several on-screen buttons for actions like shooting, aiming, and reloading. Don't worry if it feels a bit overwhelming at first. You can easily customize the layout in the settings. Adjust button sizes and positions to fit your fingers and fine-tune sensitivity levels for precise aiming. Understanding your HUD, which displays your map, health, and ammo, will quickly become second nature and is vital for battlefield awareness. For your very first match, jump into the training ground or a bot match. This low-pressure environment lets you practice movement, shooting mechanics, and the crucial skill of looting. Once in a live game, your priority after landing is to quickly secure weapons, ammunition, and protective gear. Remember the blue zone. It shrinks periodically, forcing players closer together. Always stay inside the safe white circle on your map to avoid taking damage and ensure your survival. This is fundamental. To truly excel, start practicing advanced moves like peeking around corners and quickly swapping scopes. These skills can dramatically improve your combat effectiveness. When playing with a squad, effective communication is paramount. Use voice chat to call out enemy positions, share loot, and coordinate your attacks for maximum impact. Finally, always stay informed about game updates, new weapons, and balance changes. Following official PUBG Mobile channels and communities will keep you ahead in the ever-evolving 2025 competitive scene.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.